Magandang gabi, Filipinas. Welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today, I had the request. Um, have you reacted to Mona Gonzalez anime song compilation? And ID name is Paggy O Arthur. Thank you for suggestion, Paggy. I'm. This is first time I listen this Mona Gonzalez anime songs. Yeah, but before that, I had a lot of comments from audiences, so I want to pick up and read that comment right now. Okay, wait a moment. Oh. Did I read Nino Santiago? ID name is Nino Santiago. Hello Nino. And um, wait a moment. Oh, ID name Kala Chinita. Wow, thank you so much for this reaction video. Yes, it's more fun in the Philippines. You are all welcome here in the Philippines. There are lots of beautiful views and beaches and mountains. Also, the foods here so amazing. So, we can't wait for you all to come here in the Philippines. There's a lots of beautiful places here. Yes. I know. I know, Carla. I really love Philippines, so that's why I was frequently visited Philippines, and I'm after the pandemic. I definitely go to the Philippines. So please, please welcome me to the Philippines. And wait. Oh, ID name Paolo James Dapoguracion. Davao is called Little Tokyo in the Philippines. Many Japanese students lived in Davao. Oh, I see, Paula. But when I'm in Davao City, I I didn't met any Japanese out there. So, and I was staying at Crown Regency Davao at that time. So where's Japanese in Davao City? I have no idea. Um, I see, but it's okay. I met the Filipinos, so I'm not how to say lonely. And oh, ID name Vicky Sanford, insane vocal and very powerful. Loved it. What a phenomenal performance by Morissette. She's amazing. Yes, definitely. I agree with you, Vicky. She is so special. Once I heard her voice, it's how to say I became crazy. I can I can easily distinguish from the other singers. Yeah, she's so special. I think so. Yes, and yeah. So ID name Frantic Dude. By the way, very nice reaction video, my friend. Love from Philippines. Yes. Frantic Dude. Yes, bro. Yeah. Love from Japan. And And oh, I want to read this, but Eliun Sasubila TV. ID name Eliun Sasubila TV. More subscriber. Yes, yes. Thank you very much. More subscriber. Yeah, Albin. ID name Albin Penaloza. Morissette. Yes, yes. Morissette. Goo, goo, goo. And ID name Rowena Blogs. Thanks for connecting and give such great reactions to Morissette. Yes, yes, very welcome. I love Morissette as well. And this is the last for this time. ID name Concern Citizen. You speak good English. I like your videos. Thanks for sharing my English. I'm keep taking English classes from Filipino teachers. So in a way, my English is from the Philippines. It's true. Okay. Okay. Thanks for a lot of reaction from audiences. I'm really happy reading these comments, and I want to keep reading your comments in this video. Okay, let's move on to Mona Gonzalez anime songs compilation part 1. But before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push the notification bell to not to miss my future videos. Thank you very much. Salamat. Okay, let's go. Pronunciation, Japanese pronunciation is so good. I mean, too good. But honestly, I don't know her. But who is her? Yeah, arigatou gozaimasu. Yes, I want to say it to you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Why so she's Japanese pronunciation is good? If I close and listen her pronunciation, I cannot distinguish between native speaker to her. This is Slam Dunk, right? I'm Slam Dunk generation. she speak Japanese? So I think she loves Japanese anime a lot. She sung a lot. How many songs? Because of this is compilation. Ball, Dragon Ball, Dragon Ball. I'm also Dragon Ball generation. Doraemon. I see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm full. It was really long than I was expected. Yeah, her pronunciation, Japanese pronunciation is really good. I can not distinguish uh, this song is singing by foreigner. Uh, yeah, so good, and I think she practiced it a lot to be Japanese like to make Japanese like sound and also lyrics she memorized. So yeah, Good, good job, Mona. I love you. Okay, today's video is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to not miss my future videos, and please leave a comment below, even hello, good morning, everything is okay. And if you have your suggestion for making this kind of reaction video, please suggest me your impressive video for me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you again.